Are you nervous about building a website and running ads? Are you tired of your marketing team not answering the phone? Hi, my name is Andrew White of Andrew White Consulting, and over the next minute, I'm going to explain how my marketing and business consulting company can help you expand your business. I don't want to overcomplicate things, so let's hop on a free call so I can learn more about your company. Andrew White Consulting has worked with many local companies in the Woodlands, Texas area by designing, maintaining, and optimizing their website for search engines like Google and Bing, running Facebook pay-per-click campaigns, email and text message marketing, and data-driven monthly analytics. I pride myself on answering the phone when you call and taking care of our clients. Our marketing automation tools will save you time and money while getting you more leads. So go ahead and send me a message and let's get the conversation started.